This market review is of the Suzuki, I guess it's ECSTAR or XSTAR, the GSX-RR from 2020, and it's a 1/12 scale model, and it is by Tamiya, and we've got some beautiful box art again, some nice pictures of the bike, and they do have a detailed up set that is sold separately. Some more pictures of the bike, as well as some details there. So let's have a look inside. Let's see what we've got. Got quite a few sprues here. Now let's start off with these ones here. We've got the tires, the skinny one for the front, and wide one for the back. Racing tires, no real tread. We've got a screwdriver, some poly caps and a spring, as well as lots of screws. Here we've got our glass, wheels there. I don't know why they're in the clear. These wheels are for the stand. There's our windshield, and then probably some lights. Okay, here is the, looks like the cowling, at least part of it. And that's beautifully molded. And here is our fuel tank. This looks like a lot of engine parts here. Lots of engine parts, very nicely molded. The molds are very, very well done. No mold lines or flashing anywhere. Got some levers and parts for the engine. Here are our brakes. I'm guessing these are our front brakes, and then rear brake there. Parts of the wheel there. There's our radiator, and then part of the seat. I guess that's where the fuel tank goes as well. We've got some parts for our stand, and then our front fork here with our brake calipers. Look at the detail here. I mean, it's just beautifully molded. We got these next two sprues here. Here's our frame, and looks like probably part of our exhausts. More exhaust parts here, and some grill. Look at that molding. It is perfect. There's the top of the fork there. Here are the wheels. There's the front wheel, skinny one, the large back wheel, and part of our seat. That's probably the rear swing arm there. We've got our handlebars, and there's our chain, beautifully molded, and lots of other little pieces here. Okay, this last set of sprue, the last sprue here, set of parts, is mostly the body cowling. All the different parts is the part for the front wheel there, wheel cover, and it's just beautiful. Typical Tamiya quality. Okay, here we've got some decals. Let's open this up here and have a look. A number of things here. Looks like we've got some decals, another set of decals, beautifully printed. And over here we've got some masks. guess they'll go on, and then we've got some metal parts here. Let's have a look at those. No, never mind, those are not metal, those are transfers. So you peel this off and then rub them on. So, okay. Here are some details here about the bike. And then here's the paint and decal guide. So 2 different versions there, actually maybe even 3 different versions there. 3 different numbers. And some painting instructions. Here's the rest of the decal, paint and decal guide there. Looks like a beautiful bike. Some pictures of the real bike there. So, let's have a look at our instructions now. So here are the colors needed. And correction on the parts ordering list there. So this shows you how to mask, what the masks are used for. So you can spray paint just that one part. Okay, so those are the 2 different riders, and they're 2 different numbers. So A and B, you got to choose which one you're going to do. And we'll start off with building the engine. And there are a lot of parts that go on the engine here. And that's then put onto the frame. And this is the rear damper with the swing arm for the rear axle and wheel. Here's the chain going on. There's the rear wheel and brakes. There's the rear wheel being mounted with that screw. And then the stand is built. Finally we attach the rear swing arm onto the bike. Then we put together our exhaust. And mount that onto the engine. There's our radiator going on. And then all the other parts on the side, tubes and so on. It's easier to do some tubes. I didn't really see any here, which is a little unusual. And we've got the front fork, the front wheel, and then we've got the front fender. That's the brakes going on, and the top of the fork there with our handlebars, instrument panel and so on. More piping. There's the seat going on, and starting with the cowling and all those decals. We've got the fuel tank, seat cowl installation there, and then rear camera. That looks interesting, I guess, for the racing view. Lots of extra little details. Here's the fuel tank cover going on, and then that's then mounted. Here's the upper cowl. Lots and lots of details. There are the side cowls, shows you how to mask it off. That's all mounted with screws, and then the under cowling. So all in all, that is a really good quality model kit. I just don't see any of the tubing, but maybe it is actually in here. There it is. It is all in there. It's kind of hidden. So there's the tubing there. So another quality kit from Tamiya. Great molding quality, great decals, tons of detail. That's just phenomenal.